Cirrus has a rich history of delivering airplanes that inspire people to do things.
Got to build it if you want to break it down. Got to feel it, got to be loud.
If you look back at the original Cirrus, it was a very simple plane, but it was very advanced for its time. Fast forward 22 years, it's still beautiful in its simplicity, but it's so much more capable. The SR series has been the soul of Cirrus Aircraft, and there's so much more to come.
Delighting the customer with paint colors, with materials, and we're taking some risks here. The SR series has an incredible history of innovation, evolution, and reinvention. We are pleased to announce that in 2021, Cirrus will be delivering our 8,000th SR series aircraft. To celebrate this incredible accomplishment, Cirrus is making available 8 limited edition commemorative 8,000th SR series aircraft. Our goal here was to create something that was bold, unapologetic, and really bursting out of its boundaries. What's beautiful about the SR is that the aircraft itself is so aerodynamic if you chase those lines. We look at those shapes, those lines, and we try to echo what the plane is already doing for us. Our inspiration for the Cirrus 8000 was the runway. You know, the beautiful graphics, that energy, that excitement you feel when you're about to take off and go somewhere. The vertical stabilizer has a really cool pattern of hash lines. What I really like about the hash lines is just how they appear and reappear throughout the airplane. And in a few more places I won't mention because they're hidden. You'll definitely notice the volt wing. There's just no denying that that is a color that hasn't been used very much by Cirrus. We wanted to make that color really just the statement of the story, and then makes you want to ask, why is that plane special? Why is that plane different? You know, we had a lot of fun bringing Volt into the airplane, stitching on the seats, the Volt embroidery on the doors, and a beautiful new perforated leather on the power lever, on the yokes, as well as the seats. We are excited to pull a story together that talks about the best of Cirrus through this 8000 story, and the interior and the exterior combined do that beautifully. So I want you to picture this. The tower clears you for takeoff. You line up with the runway, you throttle forward 100%, your back hugs the seat, the plane launches forward, the peripheral vision blurs, and you start looking down the runway at where you're gonna go. That moment, right there, was our inspiration for the Cirrus 8000. That feeling, that excitement, that momentum that's carrying you forward, that is what we wanted to capture here. I want you to look down that runway and re-envision what personal transportation could look like in the next 20 years.
This 8000 design is a nod to that very exciting future. It's bold, it turns heads.
Cirrus 225 Hotel Lima, good afternoon, nice paint job. I'm a huge fan.
The future of the SR platform will continue to innovate. It will continue to challenge some of those norms and push forward.
I'm so proud to be part of this team at Cirrus Aircraft.
From those assembling the airplanes to painting the airplanes.
We made 8,000 airplanes.
To our partners.
That's incredible.
To our customers.
We're committed to continue to provide the best personal transportation solution in the world.
That's what we think about all the time at Cirrus, and that is what drives us forward.